welcome back to the channel. I was just out mowing the lawn and I wasn't going to bore you with any of that because it's just mowing the lawn. But I was in the back section doing a rather thick grass, and I was cutting it pretty short. And I heard a pling and the motor stopped, or the blade stopped. So if you're following along on the channel, you'll know that I just redid the belt and a pulley and the blades on this because of some stupidity on my part. But I had used the old belt that I was said it'd be fine for a couple of runs, and there it is. So I'll link to the other video down below, but basically I reinstalled all the new pulleys or the bearings, and when I put the belt on, I didn't have it sitting in all of the pulleys, and it stripped a whole section of the belt off. But I'm like, it'll last for a while. It lasted 2 runs, so about 5 hours. So luckily, I have a new belt. So we're gonna get to replacing this one. And depending on what we do, I will go back out and mow some more. But it's a pain in the butt to put this on, so I'll come back at you when I'm done and we'll talk about it after. All right, we're back to fixing the belt on this mower. Yes, it is very dirty. I did not clean it off first. The first thing I ran into was this safety bracket that goes on here to stop the belt from, I guess, jumping loose in this one pulley. So what I've done is I've removed it because I understand why it's there, but making pulley changes or belt changes, sorry, with that on there adds an extra layer of frustration because you have to have one wrench underneath with a 14mm wrench somewhere under there, and then you have to tighten this. So I'm going to tighten this the rest of the way with this, and I will come back at you in a moment. All right, so that's on there. I've threaded the belt to the back. I will put that on in a minute. I'm just gonna loop the belt around the right spot. I've also left this tensioner loose. That goes onto there, but I'll do that in a moment when I get the belt on, and I'll be able to pull the spring on, and that'll put tension on things without having to take the whole deck, this pin system here out, move the deck back so I can get the belt on the back pulley on the PTO. I'm going to try to use it so that I can get it done here. So wish me luck on that, because that's going to be a bear to pull once the belt is on. So, but it might take longer than taking the whole thing apart and taking the chains off and moving the whole deck back. But we're going to try this way. All right, so the belt is on the back PTO. It goes over around this idler pulley, around the far blade, around this closer idler pulley, around the middle blade. Then it goes on the back side of the tensioner, and then the close pulley. So now I'm going to try to hoof on this enough. I'll probably get a piece of string, hook that on there, and I'm going to yank this until I can get it to hook into that. All right, so what I've done is I've hooked up a piece of zip tie, or 2 zip ties, and I think I can pull this. I might have to put you down, but yeah, I can pull that and hook that on. Ooh, close. All right, that's on. I'll just cut these off. All right, so that's that side. Everything looks good in there. Just gonna pull it out here onto the driveway and we'll start it up and just see if everything goes well. Hopefully I don't shred that belt, because if you remember my last video, here they're about 118 bucks. So well, make sure to get it right this time. All right, we're back in business. I'm just going to put the covers on the pulleys because I have them. mowing with the zero turn. And stay tuned in a future video because I just broke it again. I was cutting close to the branches, and you can see that this wheel is now cocked and touching. So I'm going to have to take this off and either fix the axle, the spindle, or whatever. Hopefully that I didn't break the plastic wheel, but that's coming up in a future video. So thanks very much for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. I recently hurt my back, so I haven't been able to do much tree work, and that's been about 3 weeks now. I'm doing all right, but I gotta take it slow, so no heavy lifting, no heavy moving, and even just riding on the My Ride, which is fantastic, does hurt. So stick around for that, and we'll be doing this fixed job shortly.